Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto News. I am your host Crypto Chester and today I'm here to give you an update on the one and the only Pepe, the lovely green frog. Okay, so this is going to be a fundamental and a technical analysis update on this asset to see what they've got going in the works and also some price predictions for this asset because there's some very interesting stuff happening with the crypto market right now. And I feel like a bit of hopium is in order because a lot of people are feeling quite scarce right now. And a lot of the meme coins are essentially in the sea of red, we call the crypto market. So without further ado, let's get straight into this update on Pepe. And if you could, drop a little like on the video and also let me know your thoughts in the comments section as well. So starting off with the market cap of Pepe. Pepe currently trading at around $3 billion right now, currently down 2.18% here on the day, which is obviously bearish. Volume though, $415 million worth of volume in 24 hours. I think that's quite impressive to say the least. Definitely something to be noting down there. Yes, it is down 3%, but it's still doing better than a lot of the other altcoins out there at this point in time, right? Over 7 days, currently down 8.5%. So again, the markets are pretty bloody. On the monthly here, down 11%, guys. Okay, so just a bit of hopium coming through because we are going to be looking at some price predictions for this asset and a nice bit more of a solid direction as to where this is going to be going. Okay, so let's jump into this and let's have a little look at Pepe's chart right now. So the chart on Pepe, we're going to be starting off on the daily. Okay, that is the macro here, guys, and the negatives. We'll do the negatives first because we do have Fibonacci areas from the swing low of this asset, which is obviously all the way down here back in September last year. Yep, last year, to the all-time high for Pepe, which we did see coming through around the end of May this year. Okay, and from there, it's obviously had a very, very significant pullback. Now, why is that important? I know it looks very, very messy and colluded on the chart right now, so let's get rid of all of that for a second and let's just take a note of this downtrend. Okay, we are in a downtrend quite aggressively. Market structure doesn't look too bad from this area. As long as we don't lose this 397, then we're pretty Gucci. We're still in a macro bullish market structure, which is good. The one thing I do want to talk about here, again, excuse the mess, if I can get my words out, is the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement zone. Okay, and that is currently sat at around 787. Now, why is this important? This is super important because you can see we've tested this with support multiple times here, and we haven't quite found the support that we were looking for. Okay, now unfortunately that does mean it flips to resistance. Okay, unfortunately it does mean it flips to resistance, which does essentially mean we're likely to see lower prices. Now, the lower prices that we can be concerned about would be losing this area. If we lose this area, as I said, 386, it would be a super bearish for Pepe because that is the bullish market structure confirmed higher low that we do have. And also, guys, if we do lose a 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, which is just this area, just here, this little blue line, if we lose that as well, that is the confirmation of the reversal of the trend. Okay, and that is obviously macro bullish trend. If I can get it right, macro bullish trend. This will be a reversal and it will be confirmation, which will basically mean that we're going down. But the positivity side of things here, guys, is essentially we've got a lot of breathing room. We've got 44% in terms of breathing room to stay bullish. Okay, as long as we're above this area, we're still bullish. Remember that. So we can see price fluctuations here. And after seeing such an explosion in the price for Pepe here, it was, in terms of percentages from high to low, let's just be a bit more realistic about this, guys. It was 2,700%. That's a 28x on your investment from low to high. So a little correction here of, say, 60%, 77%. That's not too bad. No, 44%. 44, I was thinking that does not sound right. 77%. Yeah, 44% correction. That is not too bad, guys. Okay, so just try and be a bit more like confident with it, right? Because I don't think Pepe is done. It's not over. It's gonna succeed, and it's just having a little bit of a breather right now. So that's the TA that I would be looking out for the confirmation for the reversal of the trend. And from a trading perspective, guys, let's have a little look in more detail. I'm not going to be shorting this because, the reason is you don't really know, and no one really knows where the crypto market is going to bounce right now. There's a lot of fundamental bullish factors across the board, which we need to take into consideration. Obviously, we've got all major ETFs and stuff like that right now, and this cycle, sorry. And also, we actually haven't really seen alt season take off just yet, right? And what that means is usually after the halving, okay. Usually if the halving in like April, May, that sort of time. I'm talking about the Bitcoin halving, guys. When this happens, we have sort of a sleepy Joe sort of sideways period until October, end of October. And then usually once that happens, at the end of October, we usually start seeing alt season start to wake up, okay? So obviously we are into September now, 1 month away from the predicted alt season. We could see Pepe absolutely explode. So these lower prices right now, they're all relative. They won't be here for forever. And buying at these prices is a pretty smart play, guys. It really, really is. Okay. So that is going to be an update on Pepe. In terms of a trade here, what I would say is I would actually be looking to DCA the whole way down here. Dollar cost average, basically buying every single dip until we come up and make a lot of money, or I'm going to be looking for a long position. My long position will be either reclaiming the 3-day volume weighted ATR band, reclaiming the Fibonacci retracement that we just lost, and also we do have a lovely falling wedge scenario, which is pretty destined for a breakout scenario as well. So there will be a nice trading area here as well, guys. But yeah, that is going to be it from Pepe. Let's jump over to a Pepe-based project that I think has got huge potential, and the pre-sale pretty much speaks for itself, okay? They have just raised $12.1 million. That is, and it's called Pepe Unchained. Basically, it is what it says on the screen. Pepe now has its own blockchain. Absolutely crazy stuff, okay? So it's Pepe now has its own blockchain, and what this is a layer 2 blockchain built on Ethereum, just like Base Chain, guys. And essentially this means instant bridging between Ethereum and Pepe chain, lowest transaction fees, higher volume capacity, 100 times faster than Ethereum, and they're going to have their own dedicated blockchain explorer, okay? Unbelievable stuff. If you guys want to get involved with this, you can. All the links are in the description. To go check out this project, you can. If you want to get involved, you've got pretty much 1 day and 14 hours until the next price increase. So they're basically going to be launching this within a week or so, or something like that, right? So if you want to get involved, Ethereum, USDT, Card, or BNB. And I have already raised $12 million, guys. So be fast or be last. Simple as that. Links in the description. Peace out. I'll catch you in the next one.